Warning, this is an important message from the Time Travel Safety Association urging you not to step off the path when traveling back in time due to a recent increase in fatalities.
Meet Echoes, one of the many victims of tragedies that have occurred as a result from veering off from the path.
All the events about to be presented are based on true events.
We met Echoes in 2055, right around election time. They had just announced that Keith won. Everyone was relieved. Echoes decided to go on an adventure back in time with the company Time Safari to hunt dinosaurs.
At first, Echoes seemed a bit skeptical about going. He kept asking if the safari would guarantee he would come back alive. He was told they guarantee nothing, but he went anyway. After all, he was going in a group of 4 resilient men.
Mr. Travis and Mispers were the guides of the ordeal.
They traveled back in time and learned how to hunt dinosaurs. They were also taught to stay on the marked path, as stepping off it would cause the butterfly effect and annihilate the future.
Apparently, to Echoes, these instructions were as clear as mud.
When Echoes found himself face to face with the dinosaur, he panicked.
He then made the worst mistake. He stepped off the path and accidentally killed a butterfly.
The effects were unknown right then and there, but as soon as they traveled back to the future, they began to see some peculiar things.
At first, the changes were as slight as the altering of words on a sign, but that escalated to an extreme.
Turns out, Keith, the winner of the presidential election before they went back in time, was not the winner. Dusher was now the president.
To think that stepping off the path and killing a little butterfly would cause such a change was perplexing.
The air was thick and the level of anger was immeasurable. Travis, the other hunter, took out his rifle and shot Echoes to his death.
The sound of thunder. Echoes had been killed.
All this for stepping off the path.
Just like you don't drink and drive, don't step off the path. Just like you don't.
Wait, I'm not ready. We're all in this together.
Kevin,
What is going on?
ready? Get off. 1, 2, 3.
Just like you don't drink and drive. You want another one just in case?
Let me see.
Yes. Oh, Kevin, look at you. Come back. Where are you going?
This is awesome. I have a map.
I don't think it's Africa.
It's Africa, I'm telling you.